kids are aware that drugs are bad, and they keep far, far away from them. But did you know that alcohol is a drug too? Did you know that alcohol...
You have 2 unread messages.
Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 15 miles northeast of Puddin Bay to near Fort Clinton to near Tiffin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations of hazard include Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Fort Clinton, Kelly's Island, Puddin Bay, Bellevue, Klein, Willard, New London, Plymouth, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Bloomville, Castalia, Catawba Island and Greenwich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
You have 3 unread messages.
Lorraine County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Lorraine, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorraine, Elyria, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Solon, Avon Lake, Warrensville Heights, Amherst, Grafton, and Highland Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga and Lorraine. Pascagoula, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania offer security. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Chris is eating Taco Bell.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line of
This is
15
wrong.
miles northwest of Geneva on the lake to 7 miles north of Airport Harbor near Euclid, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, really?
Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Willow Lake, Airport Harbor, Mentor, Willow D, East Lake, Madison, Silver Lake, Lake Line, Wicker, Willoughby Hills, Highland Heights, Mentor on the Lake, Kirtland, Mayfield, Gate Mills, Mortville, and North Cary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Geauga, and Lake. Plymouth Center, Charlottesville, and North Madison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula, Ohio. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KEC 58, originating from the National Weather Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 27 miles northwest of Ashtabula to near Geneva on the lake to near Chesterland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees. Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Huron County, Montana County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 2 miles north of Lakewood to near Grafton to near Wellington, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Kent, Solon and Avon Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Huron, Lorain, Medina, and Summit. In northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles north of Lakewood to near Grafton to near Wellington, moving east-northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Kent, Solon and Avon Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Huron, Lorain, Medina, and Summit. Suspect damage to trees and power lines. Locations of active include Erie, Corey, Northeast, Waterford, Watford, Northwest Harbor Creek, Lawrence Park, Lakeville, Lake City, Rockingham, Michigan, Northwest Harbor, and Colonia. For your protection, move mortgage carrier room on the road or on a building. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Erie, Pennsylvania. Urgent message. The following counties: Ohio, the following counties: and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Erie. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, northern Mahoney County in northeastern Ohio, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newton Falls, or 7 miles east of Ravenna, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Warren, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Newton Falls, Lordstown, Vienna Center, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, Levittburg, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, Vienna, McDonald, Holland, and Craig Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning and Trumbull. Especially thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 miles west of Fort Niagara State Park to 11 miles northwest of Angola on the lake to 6 miles northeast of Lottsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Cheektowaga, Niagara Falls, West Seneca, North Tonawanda, Jamestown, Clarence, Lockport, Lackawanna, and Kenmore. Niagara Falls, Jamestown, Lockport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 between exits 49 and 59. Interstate 86 between exits 11 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Chautauqua, New York. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingsland, or 10 miles northwest of Sharpeville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cortland, Kinsman, Johnston, and Orangeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Trumbull, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Greenville, or 10 miles north of Sharpsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharpsville, Greenville, Stonnaboro, Sandy Lake, Clark, Jamestown, Fredonia, Jackson Center, New Lebanon, Shipleyville, and Morris K. Goddard State Park. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 123 and 137. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mercer, Pennsylvania. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Farrell, or over Sharon, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hubbard, Maplewood Park, Yankee Lake, Brookfield Center, and West Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Trumbull, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharpsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Shallum, Sharpsville, Farrell, Mercer, West Middlesex, Clark, Wheelan, and Jackson Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 117 and 122. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 27. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Mercer, Pennsylvania. Locations impacted include Oil City, Franklin, Scissor Creek, Hanson Heights, Seneca, Hope, Rouseville, Cooperstown, Woodland Heights, Pleasantville, Utica, Oil Creek State Park, and Cranberry Township. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m.